Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start now, power down and unplug the laptop, then remove the battery if your model allows it. You want no power while you work. That prevents shorting and accidental input. Once done, use bright light to check the space keycap and underlying scissor or butterfly mechanism for obvious breaks or gunk. Make sure you have tools ready: small flat tool, tweezers, compressed air, and isopropyl wipe, so you can remove debris carefully and avoid forcing parts that might snap. Gently pry the space keycap from an edge, lifting straight up so you don't damage the retaining clips. Some laptops have clips on both ends, so go slowly. Once removed, blow compressed air to dislodge crumbs, then use tweezers or a small brush to pick remaining debris. Clean the switch area with an isopropyl swab to remove oils. If the scissor or hinge is misaligned, realign it carefully. If any plastic tab is cracked, swap the part before reassembly, so the key will sit evenly and actuate. To finish, align the keycap over the scissor mechanism and press gently in the center, then press each side until it snaps. This ensures clips engage evenly and travel returns correctly. Next, boot and test the spacebar in BIOS or a text editor so you isolate hardware from OS issues. You can enable the on-screen keyboard for comparison. If problems persist, consider replacing the switch or key assembly. Try a USB keyboard to confirm, and if unsure,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.